Hi, it's Multimikeytv, focusing on this battle. The Fangpyre truck on the right side, Destiny's Bounty on the left. Left, right. Sensei Boo right there, the snakes right there, there's a shrine right there. Okay, let's go closer. Okay.
Oh, you want to read?
Wow, look at my Fangpyre truck. I made a video of it. It's on my channel. She said more. Oh, come on, I hate that when that happens. Okay, let's consider that as a blooper, okay? See? There's my snake facing the wrong way. And here's a little battle. Okay.
When the coffee comes to Toronto.
If you don't doggy or any of the pieces.
Sorry,
Do you have your tripod?
I don't have a tripod.
I mean, like one of those things that stand up.
Leave it alone.
One of those things that you stand up.
I don't have one.
Oh. Okay, it's okay. Just watch it from here, folks. Curtains in the way. Can you hold it, please?
What?
And film me.
Aww.
Okay, watch. Don't watch that.
How do you put it closer?
You have to walk up, Mom.
Walk up. But he won't get. No, okay.
Destiny Bounty in swimming mode, attack mode, push down button.
Hello?
Push down button.
Hello?
For some
Hello?
reason.
She's a phone. Hello? Hello?
Converts. Attack! Sensei Wu is left. Sensei Wu, hold on. Oh, yeah. This thing's not moving. There, that's better. This is complete. Oh my eye! Oh, it's stuck.
Got what you wanted.
Non-battle mode. Great devourer. I don't know why I just said that, but who cares? My eye looks so weird. And then it's on my way. Ow. Bye bye. Train mode. The end. Bye bye. That's it. Press the red button.